Hey guys, this is Mark Roemke with Ninja Training TV. Today we have Shoden level, Kukishinden Ryu. In the first level, we're going to go through Katate Uchi, which is the most basic of basics. Okay, so we're here. The person is starting in Kateburi, and I have a short sword in my hand. I grab forward with the left hand, and I stab. Boom. That's it. Person is going to block at the elbow level. So let's switch over here so you guys can see what this looks like. I grab, I step forward and stab. In the waza, it says to grab with left foot forward and then step through with right foot as you ski to the center. This starts to change some really cool stuff in the dynamics of it with the person with the Hanbo. They're going to step slightly out to the right and pull their left leg behind them, which opens up the avenue for my cut to go through. Since my arm is here grabbing onto their gi, all he has to do is get that behind my elbow and check it. That's gonna start to push me off balance slightly as this stab comes through, and I'm off to the side here, and he gets to do a nice way of just like off balancing me and starting to do this. So this is the beginner level, Shoden level, and a lot of the basics with beginner are just how to get offline and maybe how to use your weapon in the most simplistic way of just using it to put something between you and your opponent. We call that Totoku Hayoshi. Hey guys, if you like this Hanbo training, please hit like and subscribe. Follow the links below for more training, and as always, keep training.